I have got good news, now I've got bad news. The bad news is there is another winter storm moving in, so we've got a lot of stuff to get done here in a hurry. We gotta get some wood into the garage, into the shed, so I can make bundles and not be out in the freezing rain, sleet and snow. But the good news is it's a new year, and oh yes indeed, we have someone back in action. She's back, and she's back to stack. This tote of ash, get this freed up so I can refill this with wood to make bundles. I got another tote over there that I'm gonna be working on filling, and then we're gonna get them all in under shelter so they're out of the snow and out of the rain. Freezing rain, I guess we're gonna get. Freezing rain and snow. All right, so you ready? Are you ready?
Let's go!
All right, so she is done stacking that over there. I've got this tote full over here. Time to take it up to the garage, come back, get that one and load it up, and then we will be done. Well, it's just going in the shed. Oh, the snow. Oh, yeah, the bundle. Yeah, if you can get like all of this right here.
Oh, you want me to get that?
Well, slow that drop. All right, so that is gonna do it. We got the tote unloaded, 2 totes full, taken in undercover. So tomorrow I don't have to come out and dig snow, and it's starting to snow right now. The snow is starting to come down. So we got a little wood in the shed undercover, and that was what we needed to get accomplished. Quick here to end the day. So that'll do it. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, have fun, be cool.